In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable custom thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Having custom thumbnails are very important for helping your YouTube channel grow. In order to get views, you got to have something that's going to catch people's eye. And it's going to be very hard for you to do that with a still image in your video, especially when someone above you and below you has very eye-appealing thumbnails. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. From Creator Studio, the first thing I want to do is go to settings. Then I want to go to channel. Then I want to go to feature eligibility. You can see that there's two sections. One's default features. The other is the features that require phone verification. With default features, I can use all these, with the requirements being that I don't have any YouTube community strikes against me. With features that require a phone verification, I need to have default features enabled and I have to verify my phone number. You can see that custom thumbnails are one of these features, so I'm going to go ahead and verify it now. After clicking to verify your number, you'll be taken to another page where you can select your country. You'll get a question that asks, how should we deliver the verification code to you? And you can put by voice message or text. Then you can also add which language you need the verification code in, and you put in your phone number and press submit. Once you press submit, you'll be sent to another page where you can put in the verification code that you'll get, and then after you press submit on that, you'll be done. Since I already have an account verified, I'm just going to switch over to that one. In Creator Studio, going back to settings, channel, and then feature eligibility, I look in features that require phone verification. You can see that it says enabled because I have verified my phone number. Now you have custom thumbnails enabled, but there is always a difference between having custom thumbnails versus having good custom thumbnails. Take this for example. All right, so I wanted to take a quick bit of time to show off some thumbnails that are on YouTube right now. I just typed in food service delivery and these are what popped up. These are the first things that pop up on this particular keyword search. So you can see right here that none of these thumbnails are really that great. So when none of the thumbnails are that great, you go to the text over here, you go to the titles, and then you read the titles and see what that does for you. You know, I would say out of these right here, I would say the I pulled up one catches me the most because it has text in it, and the text is actually kind of has a good contrast to the background. But me personally, I'm not big on emojis in thumbnails, but you know, that's the best one that's up there out of the top 5. But when you go down, you have this person's thumbnail, which has some, you know, some text in it. So that one pulls me. But really, you look at this one right here. This one, it's just a guy looking at you, and it's not that great. Next one, another guy looking at you. It's just not appealing. Maybe you're somebody that's not actually good at making thumbnails. But what you can do is use one of the websites like snapper.com, and you can find a link in the comment section. I'll have a link to that, and that's a place where you can make thumbnails online, and they have a bunch of different templates that you can check out. So you can start by using that template and then create from there. I'll show off a thumbnail from snapper.com. I'll also show off other similar places that you can create thumbnails online in another video at a different time. So hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, leave a like, and if you want to, why don't you subscribe to the channel, because I do tutorials on YouTube just like this one. I have a bunch that I've already done. I got more coming in the future. Thanks for watching.